Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about a question on conductivity and resistivity. And this question was asked in GATE 2025 in 2 marks. So here, in this question, we have given a carrier concentration, intrinsic carrier concentration of a semiconductor material, which is 2.5 into 10 is to power 16 per meter cube. So carrier concentration is given as Ni, which is equal to 2.5 into 10 is to power 16 per meter cube at 300 Kelvin. So its temperature is also given, which is 300 Kelvin. If the electron and hole mobilities are 0.15 meter square per volt second and 0.05 meter square per volt second respectively, it means mu n is equal to 0.15 meter square per volt second, and mu p, which is the whole mobility, is 0.05 meter square per volt second. This is the information we have given, and in this question it is asked to find the resistivity of semiconductor material in kilo ohm meter at 300 Kelvin. And along with it, a charge of electron is also given in this question, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So let me see. We all know what is the resistivity. Resistivity is nothing but the reciprocal of the conductivity. So if we know the conductivity, we can easily find the resistivity. So we know the formula of conductivity, which is nothing but sigma, and conductivity sigma, and formula for this is Ni, intrinsic charge carrier concentration, and charge of electron q, multiply with the mu n plus mu p. That is the mobility of electrons and mobility of holes. So sigma is Niq mu n plus mu p. By this we can find this, which is conductivity. And here, all this information given in the question, where Ni is 2.5 into 10 to the power 16 per meter cube. Q is the charge of electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Mu n is 0.15 meter square per volt second, and mu p is 0.05 meter square per volt second. If we substitute all these value in this equation, we will get 2.5 into 10 to the power 16 multiply with 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiply with the 0.15 plus 0.05. After solving this equation, conductivity is sigma, which is equal to 8 into 10 is to power minus 4 Siemens per meter. This is the conductivity, which is 8 into 10 to the power minus 4 Siemens per meter. And as we already discussed, what is the resistivity? Resistivity is nothing but reciprocal of conductivity. So it is 1 divided by 8 into 10 is to power minus 4. And if we solve it, it is nothing but 1.25 into 10 is to power 3 ohm meter. But in this question, we can see resistivity is asked in kilo ohm meter. It means here, from here, we are getting resistivity rho, which is 1.25 kilo ohm meter. So this is the answer for the given question here. This is the answer for the given question for resistivity. So this is a very easy question, simple formula based question. Where if you know the conductivity, we can easily find the resistivity, and conductivity can be calculated by using this simple formula, which is Niq into mu n plus mu p. And in this, Ni is the intrinsic charge carrier concentrations, and Q is the charge of electrons, mu n is the electron mobility, and mu p is the whole mobility. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more such videos. Thank you.